What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's been a very tough day. Yeah, I got two trades, one winner, one loser. It's a tough day. I don't know if we were in a trending environment. I don't know if we were in a range. I do have a range up. I don't know if this right here. It was a retrace leg of this low. I don't know. It was very tough, and I'm gonna call it early today. Honestly, like this. It's just better to come back tomorrow, honestly, because this highlighted area, I don't know what was happening here. I don't know if the Trump tweeted or there was some kind of news or something. It was just spiking up and down. I was not interested in that. That's a death trap right there. So yeah, I gotta be cautious today and careful because man, this was just brutal. Anyways, diving in, let's talk about it. Say 30 opened up. We have this channel working up, and then you have basically a break and a second entry long. Looking to retest this high. You also get a failure as well. So at the time, you don't really know it's going to fail because you're still looking for this high. So I wouldn't go short here. There's no trade here. Price starts going down. And then we get this micro channel up with a break and a new high. No trades here. There's a lower high here. Again, 3-bar congestion. It does work really nice, but again, I don't like trading those. No trades here. Get this micro double bottom here, so to speak, and you get finally a second entry long. This one's pretty decent trade. Probably out of all entire day, this is probably the most decent trade because you do have a break, new low already in place with this channel right here. So you have a new high, first entry, second entry long, right? And also you have new low, first entry short, second entry short, failure. So this is probably the ideal place you're going to look for a failure, right? You know, we tested the bottom of the channel, twice here. Basically, we get this micro double bottom. Not a bad place to go long, honestly. No trades along the way. Price just keeps working up. And then you get this break and a correction. There's a triple test here. Again, the idea is you're looking for a retest of this high here. Triple test here, put it into the EMA. Higher low here as well. You go into the EMA, so it's got to be a little cautious, but the idea is there, right? And then price going up, and then I saw this, 1, 2, 3. I was thinking about taking this actually. Then I hold off and I took this one and I got burned. Of course, that's just how it works. But I did end up taking another trade right after. So this was a 3.5 or 3.25 loss, I think it was. Yeah, 3.25, and this was, the winner was, I believe, 7.5 because I was targeting this swing low. Yeah, 7.5. You could have targeted this support here, but personally, I always look for the most recent swing. That's a high probability, chance that price might revisit the swing. So that was my target, and it did went a little bit lower, but again, that's all I needed. So this winner made up my loss, and I got some as well. If you're scalping for 1 point, you still be in the freaking red. So just something to think about. If I get a second entry long here, I didn't drew this. Channel break new low, higher low here, can't really take those. I mean, you could have taken this higher low, but it's not the higher low that I'm looking for, right? And the price does this failed breakout type of thing. I don't really trade those. Same thing here. And then another channel working down, and then we finally have a break and this huge spike up. This was like almost instant. I was like, okay, that's weird. And then it spiked down. I was like, okay, well, something's happening. Somebody's tweeting something. I don't know what's happening. So I'm gonna stay out and just doing all this whipsaw stuff. I don't trade any of this stuff, man. That's a disaster right here. And then finally, the price came down a little bit, and then looks like we just keep working up. We do have a break and a new high. So what's price gonna do after this? I have no idea, and honestly speaking, I don't really care because I'm gonna get off the chart and enjoy my day because this has been not a very good trading day. Daily's looking really looking positive, but I mean, we are on oversold territory, so like Mac would say. But we go up from here, I have no idea. But that's the day. Not much else to talk about. Hopefully you had a good day, and hopefully you were cautious, because this sucked. This sucked a lot. But anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Bye for now.